Hello, and welcome to this video from Zenitel Academy. In this video we will show you how to configure the call button of a turbine intercom, or any other intercom model, used on an AlphaCom or ICX platform. Start the Alpha Pro configuration tool. In the Users and Stations window, select the relevant intercom station. Press the button DAK. On line number 1, enter the directory number you want the call button to call. If your intercom station has 2 buttons, enter the target for the second button on line 2. Alpha Pro will automatically add the letter I in front of the number. It is good practice to set the intercom station to station type substation. This will prevent accidental callback messages to the intercom. If the call setup priority is set to low, the call will be in private ringing mode. If the call setup priority is set to normal, the call will either connect straight through, or it will be ringing, depending on the open privacy setting of the station receiving the call. Now update the server by selecting Send Change or Send All. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please visit our web pages at zenitel.com, and our wiki pages at wiki.zenitel.com.